Homeforce. Introducing our folding storage box. Foldable when not in use, it takes about 30 seconds to assemble. Simply open the sides, the front and back, fit the edges together, and snap on the top. Quickly install the removable rollers. The small wheels simply snap into place. The wheels stay on when in use and when stored. The removable handles go on last. These buckles help to secure the box bottom to the box top. These transparent storage boxes are now stackable. Super stable. Pull each little handle to open the box. Each box has a two-way cover opening. Check out the load-bearing capacity. The rollers on the underside allow for easy maneuverability. Now that this storage box is all set up, it's ready to store up to 27 quarts. Of what, you ask? Of stuff. Amongst other things, our boxes are foldable, portable, stackable, stable, and durable. Homeforce. Thanks for listening and watching our video.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.